Hello and thank you for watching. In this episode I will work at the end of the cellar. I want to unearth the cupboard that we found last time beneath the stone stairs. I'd also like to find the ground, the bedrock, as always, and maybe we'll try to see what is the connection between the cellar and the secondary cellar. Because now there is a wall, but it isn't an original wall, so there should be something connecting the two places together. So we'll see what we find. This episode should be quite short, I hope, so let's get to it. So let's try to finish this video properly. This is the pile of earth that I removed in order to unearth the cupboard. So it seems a lot compared to the volume of the space here. Okay, so this is where I am right now. We have unearthed the cupboard and I have found some ground. So let's take a closer look. So first, the cupboard. So it's completely unearthed. We have here the 2 hinges, and here we have some part of the lock. And inside we can see it's quite large, and it's directly below the stairs. So this stone right here, this is a stone stairs at the top, and it's directly the ceiling of the cupboard. And right there we have a bit of an arch going in depth, and it's supporting part of the stone stairs. So as you saw, I added a bit of consolidation because of this crack here. So for now it will do the job. So this part of the lintel is only supporting itself, so it's not very critical. And the other part here is supporting itself also, and maybe on this side a bit of the weight of the column here. So I shouldn't remove this part. And at some point when the lintel cracked, I think that the stones and masonry that were here fall out. This means that this stair isn't supported anymore by this lintel. About the ground now. So what I found is, instead of bedrock, is some rocks, and there seems to be some kind of masonry. They doesn't look like they are random, just jumbled together. There is not a lot of spaces between them, and they seems to be quite adjusted. So my thinking right now is that this is some kind of tunnel, because on the other side of the wall we have something like this. Here we have a tunnel which is underneath the ground. So we have the ground of the secondary cellar, and underneath it we have this underground tunnel which is full of water right now. And of course, logically, this is going below here. So I don't want to be removing the stones here, because I think I will be falling into the tunnel, and I really don't want to do that. So for now I will continue digging this way, not removing the stones at this level, and we'll see when we are, if I can link up with the other dog I did. So we are 184 to the stone here, and 20 centimeters more or less further to go to this level. So yeah, there is 60 centimeters between those two levels. Here we are 60 centimeters higher than here. But remember, I thought here that I had some masonry as well. So maybe this is connected, and I have something that is going from here to here. So to conclude, I'm quite pleased to have unearthed the cupboard. I don't know how I feel about this ground situation here. I don't really know what I want to do now at the end of the cellar. I don't know which depth I want to have the new floor to. I guess I will have to remove this wall at some point. But for now, I think I will keep digging, maybe linking this point to this point and this point to this point, which means removing everything here. So why not? And I think that what is coming to the next videos. This is it for this week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.